video is going to be a final review on this crochet hair I have in my head. If you are new to the channel, I've already done kind of my initial first impressions on this hair, so I will link that video down below in the description box if you want to see me install it. Those of you who did not watch the first impression / install video of this hair, I am wearing the Zury lock braid is what it's called, but it's basically like a mimic of a goddess lock. And I am wearing the 26-inch version of this hair. They do have like 2 other inches or sizes. What do you call it? I think they have a 14 and they have an 18-inch. So if you're not really big into 26 inches, you could definitely get a shorter version of this hair. I have the color 1B installed. I have both textures or types installed in my hair, both the loose wave and the deep curl. And I also used 10 packs of hair. I've had this hair in for about 3.5 weeks now. And today I am actually going to take it down on camera just because I want to show you guys how I safely take down crochet braids and then transition into washing and conditioning and styling my hair just for the week. So yeah, now let's jump into what y'all really came on here to see. What do I think about this hair? So I'm gonna start off, of course, with the positives about the hair. They're pretty much the same from the original video. I love how lightweight this hair was. It's still very lightweight even to this day, 3.5 weeks later. Really do love that. I love the style of this hair. Like, I didn't realize how good it looked until I took pictures when we were in Thailand. And I was like, oh, this really transitions well on camera. Like, it really is pretty. So I love how gorgeous this hair looks. And I was surprised that I actually really like the length. Like, normally with my crochet braids or faux locks, I tend to stick between the 14 and the 18 inches. I don't really go beyond 18 inches. So for me to grab 26-inch and install it is a big deal, but I really did like it. So, you know, I'm definitely gonna try some more crochet hair that is longer. So you guys definitely take some time to like look up some crochet hair that you want me to review and put it down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to grab it so I can review it and see what it's talking about. Okay, those are really the positives that I would say that still really stuck out to me even in the final stages of this hair. I will be 100% honest with y'all. I do have quite a bit of additional negative things about this hair that I experienced just in the 3.5 weeks that I've had the hair in. And like I said, I mean, most of y'all know me. If you've been subscribed to my channel for some time, you know I tend to keep hair in between 4 to 6 weeks on average, especially faux locks, because they tend to last longer. I'm taking these down a bit early, and I'm going to just go ahead and tell you guys why. So the first negative I would say about this hair that I really started to experience probably like day 2 of having this hair in was the fact that it was shedding. Like, I really explained the location. Like, it was weird where it was shedding. You know, most hair, it'll shed like at the bottom. It didn't shed at all down here. Like, it was very rare I got shedding on the like loose parts of the goddess locks. It was shedding here. It was like I would look up and I would have like a frizz ball at the top of the twist. And I'm like, what is this? So y'all, this hair honestly for the whole trip was very high maintenance. So I had to take time every morning and just take some scissors and like clip off the frizz from the top of the hair. I don't know what that's about, but I think it's related to, if you guys watched the original video, I was saying how like the loop was real loose and it was all over the place. I think it's because these are handmade and some of the hair is just not looped in very well. So it was just kind of coming apart at the top, and I was like, So it was looking real frizzy. I almost looked like my hair was coming out, and it was scaring me because I'm like, I know my braids are legit. So what is this? So that's one of the biggest things that annoyed me, like the fact that this hair was so high maintenance, because really the purpose of me installing the hair was for vacation. So I didn't really like the fact that I had to do that every single day. That was really annoying to me. So that's probably one of the biggest cons outside of the ones that I talked about in the first video. The second con I would say about this hair is that it does not last long. So if you're looking for some hair that's gonna last you, I would say 4 to 6 weeks or longer, I wouldn't recommend this hair, honestly, because this hair really starts to look crazy. Like, it looks okay right now because I really took the time to like clip off those frizzy spots. If I didn't take the time to do all of that, this hair would look real crazy by now. I'm just gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna let y'all see kind of what you see right here. You see that right there? That's exactly what I'm talking about. That is what was happening. It was frizzing and coming apart at the top. So it was yeah, I wasn't feeling that at all. I was too, like, I talked about this on one of the crochet hair videos that I did earlier, but these little hair balls, I don't know what's going on with the new crochet braids that are coming out here lately, but these little hair balls are just not gonna cut it. Like, we gotta figure out what's causing that and fix it. And because nobody wants to walk around with hair balls all day. Like, no one wants to do that. And then the location of the hair balls is like in the actual hair. So you like, I thought I had a spider in my head at one point. It scared me half to death. So yeah, just my overall impression of the hair, I would give it kind of a B- just because of the stuff that I experienced while I was on the trip. And then also too, just like the longevity of the hair, I feel like for the cost, I don't feel like the longevity is there. Now for the people who, you know, install hair, take it right out after like 2 to 3 weeks, you can definitely rock this hairstyle. I think from a style perspective, like I told y'all, my pictures from Thailand were beautiful. When you look at the hair, just looking at it like this, it's beautiful. The length is, I think, perfect, and it's lightweight. So if you're really just looking for something to install and take it right back out, you know, definitely go with this hair. But keep in mind all the stuff that I mentioned earlier. It is high maintenance. So, all right, that pretty much concludes my overall view of this hair. Of course, if you guys have any additional questions or anything that I didn't cover, put that down in the description bar and I'll be sure to respond and answer the question. So now we'll just roll right into taking this hair down. I think this is very important for those girls who are new to crochet and really want to make sure their hair is okay under here. This is a process that you definitely want to take your time. Don't try to rush through this because you don't want to cause a lot of breakage on your own natural hair. And then you also want to try to minimize shedding, especially anytime you wear a protective style. Your hair is already going to shed a lot because it's been in a protective style. No combs or fingers have been through it. So as much as you possibly can, try to avoid breakage and an immense amount of shedding. So I'm about to show you guys, I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys what I do. First thing that I would recommend when taking your crochet hair down is to make sure you do it in sections. It just makes it really easy to do. And then also you kind of avoid, because I don't know about you guys, but my hair sometimes will come loose. My natural hair will come apart while it's in these braids. So I always make sure I don't just go to cutting these twists without making sure I'm not cutting my own hair. And I cut the hair not too close to the scalp. Again, as I mentioned, I always want to make sure I'm not cutting my real hair. I might have to switch scissors because these are kind of bad. Of course, these are looped once. So all you do is grab at the part of the loop at the top and then just pull it through just like that and it comes out. That's literally how easy it is. So basically what I'm going to do now is take down my braids, of course, and then I'm going to actually go ahead and clarify my hair. So I don't think I have a video on clarifying my hair. Maybe I do. If I don't and you guys want to see one, I can definitely create one. So just let me know. But I'm basically going to take the Cream of Nature apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. And I'm going to wash my hair with this, follow up with like a really mild shampoo, deep condition, and do all that good stuff after I take the braids down. But the first thing I do before I actually start taking down my braids, I actually take a thing of hot oil. So this is a mixture of coconut oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil, I believe. And so I'm just going to put this in between the braids. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know this is a weird way to leave off this video, but of course, if you guys are wanting to see kind of one of my style videos with my natural hair. I do have a few of those on my page, especially when it comes to flat twists and twist out, so definitely check those out. But if you have any additional questions about the hair that I just took out of my head, or how I, you know, clarify my hair after I take the protective style down, just let me know and I will, you know, respond, of course. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, love you guys, and I'll see you later.